It looks like a wild one today. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update. It is Thursday, September the 24th, and what a crazy, wow, what a wild day. Markets are getting clobbered early. They come all the way back. The Nasdaq was down about 150. Then it got up almost 100. Now it's up about 50. The SP was down about 20. Then it got positive. Now it's down about 4. Same with the Dow. They're just dipping all over the place, which is natural. You might expect that after some heavy selling. These are the kind of moves you can expect. This is exactly what happens when the trend is starting to change. And the longer term trend is now starting to change as well. So we're already short, which is perfect. And that's what you start to see. This is the kind of action you start to see as there's now a battle again for position. Now, some of the dip buyers will try to get in there, and we'll see if they can take the highs out. If they can't, we're headed south, and that's what we expect. That's how we see it. Gold has been a little bit wild today, but again, lower on the day. It is broken down. Platinum is lower, broken down. Silver. Now, again, I expect we'll see a rally one of these days. Just a quick, sharp, rip your face off rally in the metals, because look, it happens in every market. They get too far oversold or too far overbought. They're going to have a little bit of a mean reversion. But that's it. It's that simple. Don't try to outguess what's going on, because typically those rallies look better than any, but they're really garbage. Oil is on both sides of unchanged again. As it continues to circulate around, we're still long. Copper is a little bit lower. It's a lot lower. It looks pretty bad, but we're still long it. Hopefully if it keeps going lower, we'll obviously reverse soon. Net gas a little bit higher. And the dollar is, of course, it broke through the 94 level, and now it's about 94.5, headed for probably 95, 96. So we'll see what all happens in here. And again, it's not about trying to understand what's going on or why it's happening, because the price action will dictate everything to you. That's all you need to know, is what the price action is telling you. Okay. In the meantime, grains are weak today, except for wheat's a little bit higher, but beans are under some heavy pressure. They just broke below 10. They popped back up again. But now there's a little concern. They're starting to break some of the keyer support levels. So we'll have to be careful and watch. We're still long. And same with corn. We're starting to see a little bit of pressure, but we'll see how they trade out. Again, the day isn't over yet. And intraday action never has any effect on what I'm thinking. Cattle are both slightly higher, both fats and feeders. Hogs are slightly lower. Again, not much to get excited about either side of the equation. And for those of you who follow the softs, cocoa, sugar, and coffee are higher. OJ is lower, and cotton is lower. So, we'll see how it works out. We'll watch the rest of the day. In the meantime, our positions will not change. And if you're a day trader or try to trade more actively, there is some stuff to do during the day here. Just got to know when to get out and know how to protect yourself. In the meantime, don't forget about our great partnership with Family Farms. We're really looking forward to that again, as we continue to remind everybody that it's always better to be hedged at all times. Then there is no decision. There is no human emotion. And of course, our great brokerage partners. And before I say who they are, I will remind you that I do have other brokerage accounts at other brokers, but these are the ones that I prefer. And of course, CTG for commodities and futures. First of all, they do a great job. They're the only authorized dealer of letter of direction trading for our products. And again, they do a phenomenal job. Execute on time. Make sure we all get the best fills. Bang, it's done. No emotion, no thought. Let them take care of it. Perfect. And they do a great job with it and got some new products coming out with it. So we'll see what's going there. And of course, for equities and options, Trader is by far the best. Again, the Thursday is $10 a month. So at $10 a month, you want to pay more? I mean, look, you're welcome to pay more anywhere else you want. But why would you want to? It's your money. So Trader for equities and options, the best. And our commodity report comes out and every Wednesday and Friday. And of course, the quarterlies are coming soon. It's an awesome report that is $100 a month, $800 a year, written by Andy Hecht, who is the #1 writer for Seeking Alpha, of course, and also a 40-year veteran of trading physical commodities as well as the futures boards and one of the biggest silver traders in the world in his day. So if you want to check it out, go to BUBBATrading.com. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, tonight, Thursday Night Football. So is it Fitzmagic or Minshew Mania? We're going with Minshew Mania minus the 3, and we're going to take our winnings and parlay them up. And that's what we see today. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. It's a wild one. Be ready.